Bayap song fighting ka hai ching kaisa job notification nai obongkha TDITC Polytechnic Institute kaisa job mongka walk in interview ni maidime job talangjaknai hingka jaga date rijak tongo borok naide 2 tarik 12 March 2021 no notification kok khabo fighting ka jang sakani heading pori nalaina borok bo maike job talangnai puja naide a walk in interview for the engagement of guest lecture will be held at TDITC Polytechnic Institute Khumulung PO Radapur West Tripura on 8 December 2021 from 11 a.m. Interested eligible candidates are hereby informed to report 11 a.m. positively. The engagement will be purely on temporary basis at remuneration of 400 per class. Obongkha per class of 400 claye norok mannai ka interview date borok saka mention khakero 8 tarik December 2021 11 am onrok interview marne obongkha kaisa guest lecture dei talangkha subject hingkakai jara subject for wise guest lecture is require English obongkha kaisa English subject no tei guest lecture khaina bagui borok o jaga o sujog rikha hingka naide eligibility chingkai tiya nailaina o jaga job rwna thakhe busa qualification nang first class in master degree khlaijakna nangnai English ni tei hingke o jaga apply khaimani tei borok sano English language learning software tongna nangnai sao borok hingke o jaga apply khaimanai hingke faide chongbo apply khainai baiki apply khainai nailaina candidate are requested to bring their original document and self-attested photocopy of the data. Biodata format is available at www.tpikhumulung.edu.in and a passport size photograph fixed at the biodata for further submission on that day positively. Hingke tamon saka borok bayap song naide jodi nong o jaga apply khaina hingkai boni website iko jaga rijak tongo o website o habai nong biodata kaisa format khlaiui a jaga borok ni aro submission ma khlainai hingka kai mo hai khe rok borok no submission ma roknai oro sano borok original document self attested photocopy rok marinai hingka kai o jaga plain paper o kaisa biodata bo sima hnai omo hai khe boni website o thangui norok o website o thangui norok boni a jaga submission khai marnai hingka kai norok borok ni a jaga o soginai hingke sogikhe hingke nongni interview ni bagui norok select o khlainai hingke norok 8 tarik o December ni aporo 11 ta somoio norok interview o asuk mansinai obo hai khe borok eligible rijakha eba sujog rijakha jara khaina muchungnai rok jara polytechnic o porai tongnai rok borok ni bagui obo opportunity tongo hingke norok ready jara khaina muchungnai rok hingke norok no asung sana muchungo hingke jara ani channel no subscribe khaiyakhe subscribe khairodi kwtal notification upcoming video manani bagui ang nongno asuk kaijak o hambai।